Welcome to DY Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Kolhapur. Friends, we have created one alumni network to connect all the alumni together who have passed out from the institute. This video is the demonstration of how to use the alumni portal. Open your browser and open the website coek.dypgroup.edu.in. You will be redirected to our college website. You will find a tab of alumni. Click on the tab. This is the alumni portal. You will find three options to log in, one by using Facebook or Google or LinkedIn. Choose any one of these options. So your information will be fetched into the portal and you will be logged in. Now the very first option is notice board. In this option, you will find two options again. Either you can start discussing by posting something, or you can start a poll on various subjects. The second option is alumni recruiter. If you own a company and if you want our alumni to work with you or the current students to work with you, then you can register for this alumni recruiter portal. These are the current recruiters who have already registered. And the third option is yearbook. If you wish to find any of your friends from certain batch, then this is very useful for you. Click on the year, then click on the branch. You will see the registered members from that branch from this particular year. You can click on anyone's profile to know more about that particular person. You can send a message to that person, or you can add him to a particular network. Then this is very interesting feature, directory map. You will find our alumni working all over the world. And suppose you are traveling to certain location, say South Korea, you will find one alumni is working there. You will just click on that name and you will find the information about that alumnus. Now you can either send a message to that alumni, or you can add to him or her to your network, and you can get help from that particular alumnus. Now this is the list view in which you can find your friends by using various criterion, or you can directly search by his or her name. Then this is yet another important thing. You can be a batch ambassador. You can send messages, you can forward the important updates related with alumni on various social networking platforms. Then second thing is jobs. Are you a job provider or a job seeker? Means both the things are mentioned here. So these are the current opportunity providers, and these are the current postings posted by our alumni. You can see that how many times the posting has been seen. There is an option of apply there. You can apply for that particular job. You can post an opportunity directly. You can find a tab placed on the top side. You can click there. You can post the job opening. Then events. What are the events? Those are in pipeline. Now this is the recent event which is on 2nd of February 2019. You can view the event details here. You can register for that particular event by filling up your details. Then campus feeds. What is happening in the campus? What is going on in college? That you will find under this tab. Then you can see the gallery or photographs. Friends, I hope you have understood how to open and use and register for the alumni portal. That's it for now. Thank you. Thank you very much.